What's up, YouTube? It's your boy SEMO-MAC. Yep, and I got you another review. I hope y'all are staying cool out there, y'all, because if y'all are like it is right now in Southeast Missouri, it is hotter than Hades out there. And I went fishing today. Yeah, I did. And I didn't get to stay long, y'all. I thought I was going to have a heat stroke out there. Luckily, I had my wife with me. She done a little filming for me because we got a new product that just came to us. And this one is actually brought to us by Tide Rex. They actually sent this out to me, y'all, and this is a freaking sweet setup. I don't know. Hopefully I can do this some justice because this is actually really cool. So what this is a fishing sling bag, and you get a tackle box, what they call their 3500 tackle box, and you get a buttload of tackle with this thing, plus some fishing accessories. So let's get down to this. Y'all stick with me for a second, okay? Because what I'm gonna do is I actually unboxed this. I took a little picture of it on the tailgate of my car, on my truck, while I was out there, and I'll pop it right up there and you can see everything on there. So yes, you get this right here. You get the tackle box, you get all of the gear, or the lures and stuff like that with it, all the terminal fishing equipment with it. You also get a pair of your fishing pliers, as you see right up here. You get your scissors, and you get a fish gripper as well, and you get a lanyard. So that's that right up there. I'm going to show you some footage of me actually using all this stuff, using one of the lures that I really like out of this thing. But we're going to cover this right here first. So stick to me close to the end so y'all can actually see that. So what do we get? Well, like I said, this right here is their woodland camo. This is a sling bag, as you can see right here. So this thing's really cool. You can go left, you can go right, you can do chest, you can do it on the back, you can carry it like this. You can carry it all over the place. So what do we get? Well, let me get everything out of this for you so we can cover all of it. And like I said, I really wanted to do all of this out there, but at 110 heat index, I've done as much as I could, y'all. I'm not gonna lie. So we're gonna set this right up here, and let's go over some of the gear we got. So first off, we actually have these fish grippers, which are really nice. They're very lightweight. You do have a lanyard that's actually attached to it. They've got a really good grip to them. I really like it. Unfortunately, I didn't catch anything today, so I didn't get to try them out. But these are really handy. I don't have a pair, and so these will actually come in handy, especially if you're dealing with any type of catfish. If you don't want to get finned, something like this would work out really, really well. We also have your pliers. From what I'm seeing on here on these pliers, you have your little lock right there. Take that lock off, and it looks like pretty much like your basic fishing pliers. So you have your D-hooker right there. You've got your cutters right here. You got to where you can actually set in these creases right here, where you can actually get your hooks, or not your hooks, but say like some sinkers, some split eyes. You can take those and actually put them there, get them right up there in that little groove. You can squeeze it, and they are actually closed now. So that's what these are really good for. These are really good to take hooks out of fish as well, out of their mouths. So got your little lock. So that's right there. And you also have your scissors. I'm gonna tell you right now, y'all, these right here are their weight in gold. These scissors come in handy a lot, especially when you are having to re-rig a pole, stuff like that. Pair of scissors, you're gonna need them. So you get all of this right here. You're gonna set that right over there. You also get this nice little pamphlet, and I'm gonna tell you right now, y'all, I actually read this pamphlet, and the stuff it has in it is really cool. It explains a lot about how the different overcast is and stuff like that, and what colors you should use. That is really, really cool. I really do like that. There is a lot of good material in here that gives you like your different watercolors, what color lure you should use for those, your sunny, overcast, anything like that. I'll show that right up here for you as well. So, you know, stuff like that. This thing is really, really good. And it also gives you the full readout of everything you get in here in this tackle box. And I'm actually going to post that right up here as well. We're going to throw a little thing right up here. It kind of gives you the layout of what all this is while I go over all of this. So this is what you get. Hopefully I don't spill this. So this is everything you get in here, y'all. And I'm going to try to run through all of this. And then I'm going to show you the one that I actually used today that I really, really like. So, you know, this is what they call their 3500 tackle box. So you get your tackle box here. You get a bunch of soft baits, which is all right here. So you get your 10 paddle tails, 5 stick baits, and 1 crawdad. So here's all your different paddle tails here. You know, you got black, green, white. You got all kinds of them. This is your little crawly that you get. That's really, really cool. These are really good on trailers of spin baits, or by themselves. This is your little, what they call their stick baits. So this is, you know, you use a little Carolina rig, or you can actually use it as a trailer as well. You also get some hard baits. So what I mean by hard baits is you get them out of here. They've got, so here is your little pop bait right there. So you get one of those, and it does rattle. And you get a swim bait right here. And I'm going to tell you right now, this is what I use today. And that swim bait right here, y'all, that is flipping phenomenal. This thing is awesome. And I'm going to show you that here in a minute after I go through all of this. But look at the action of this. This right here, y'all, I love this thing. This thing right here is awesome. So you get those. You get some hooks, which you get 6 circle hooks, 10 offset hooks, and your offset hooks are used for your what they call their stick baits right here. So it's kind of, you can turn, you offset it hook, come back through to make it a weedless. And it is, if I can grab one right here, and this is what I'm talking about, is these right there. As you can see the head of them. So you have these offset hooks, and you get 6 different jig heads. So you get all of that in there. You get sinkers. You get from little bitty split shots all the way up to your different little slip heads is what these are. And as far as your other ones are these little bitty buck shots right there. Little bitty jokers. They're so small. You probably couldn't even see them because my hand was too big. You also get, I'm not done yet, y'all. Y'all still get a whole lot more stuff on here. So you get 8 of the bullet sinkers and 10 of the split shots. You get some rigging accessories. So you get like 16 swivels. You get 16 snaps, 16 or 10 beads, and 5 bobber stoppers, and 10 O-rings. And that's all of this stuff right here. And I mean, these little swivels on here, they are extremely small. And I mean extremely small. I can't even show them to you because you're not even going to see them on camera. That's how small they are. But you know, you have your different little things right here. So I think it's really cool because you get your little the little bobble stoppers. You know, they look like little eyes is what they look like. So you get all of this stuff right here. And like I said, this thing right up here is still hopefully still running for you. I'm going to have it up there, and it's going to explain everything that y'all that you get in this. So, so that is a lot of stuff that you get in this kit. And what does SEMO-MAC think about it? SEMO-MAC really likes it, y'all, because this thing right here, so your bag here, and I'm gonna get this and show y'all this stuff. This bag is like, it's awesome. It actually can fit what they call, they have some other tackle boxes that are their 3600s. You can fit 2 of those inside here. As you can see, this thing lays open, and this is their 35. And it, like I said, you can put several of these in here. You also have another pocket right here. It's a fairly deep pocket. You got another compartment on this side. As you can see, it unzips. So yeah, that's my arm. It's going in there. So that's another pocket. And I'm going to throw this stuff in here right quick while we're going over all of this, so I can clear me off a little space here. You have a pocket up top right here, so a good spacious pocket there. Ooh. You also have another pocket right here, so you can put like your pliers or anything like that in here. Honestly, if you do night fishing, you can throw your little flashlight in there, and that'd be another really cool thing right there. Because I know a lot of people at night fish, and you can actually throw that in there and you'll have everything you need. You also got another pocket here. This one right here actually has another inside pocket right here, and it also has you a little clasp on there as well. So anything you need a clasp on here, you can put it right here so you don't lose it. You got another pocket right here. So storage on this is phenomenal, y'all. This is really, I mean, to be honest with you, anything you need to go fishing, it'll all fit right here. It is crazy. You know, this thing is made out of 900D, 600D waterproof Oxford fabric. So this thing is completely waterproof. You know, you have the Molly style, so you can hang stuff off of here, right off the front. As you can see right there, it's the Molly style system. You have a rod holder right here, so here's where it can actually, you can put it in there, hook it around. You know, it goes right through here. You got your loop going down at the bottom, so it can go in here, so you don't have to carry it with one hand. You can be literally you can be hands-free on this entire thing. So you have that. You've got all kinds of D-rings off of this thing. You have a pocket right here where you can put a water bottle, like a little thermos or something like that. You got D-rings up here, so you can go, you know, left, right, any way you want to. You got your carrying handle. This thing also, as you can see right here, is padded as well. I wore this. It was extremely comfortable. Yeah, y'all. I mean, you can't ask for anything else. I mean, the only thing that Tide Rex didn't give you is a fish. That's the only thing they didn't give you. So this thing's awesome. I'm going to throw some footage up here right quick so y'all can see me doing some casting on this. It is really cool. I got the, like I said, I got the swimmer on there. I really love that swimmer. That swimmer is awesome. So yeah, y'all, I hope y'all like this stuff, because I'm going to tell you right now, this right here, you can't beat it. If you are wanting something like this, and I highly, highly recommend it. And with that being said, yeah, we know what's coming, don't we? Oh yeah, what is it, SEMO-MAC? Is it SEMO-MAC approved? Why, yes, it is. This is SEMO-MAC approved. Right there it is. And it tells you that it is. So this joker right here is running for $42.99. They also have a black camo, and it's actually running a little bit cheaper. There's a little coupon that runs for that. So I can't remember what it is. I'll look it up, and I'll actually throw it right up here for you as well. Throw that, how much that one is. But yeah, y'all, you can't beat this at all. These things are awesome. Um, if you are interested in this, and I highly recommend that y'all be interested in this, throw it down. I'm going to throw a link down in my description. All you got to do is copy paste that, or just click on it. It'll take you straight to it. And like I said, you can choose from this or the black camo. They both look cool. So but yeah, y'all, that's my review from Tide Rex. Like I said, I wish I could have fished a little bit more out there, but it was just so flipping hot. I mean, like I said, heat index was over 110, almost to 112. Tomorrow's even hotter, and I just couldn't do it. So, but hey, that's my review for y'all on this. I do appreciate Tide Rex sending this out to me. They seem to be a very phenomenal company. I really do like them. So I hope y'all are staying cool in this heat wave that's going on right now. And I hope y'all are being kind out there in the world. And I hope y'all are having a great day. This is your boy SEMO-MAC, and I'm out. Peace.